Are you dreaming of selling your products to millions online, but the fear of confusing paperwork is holding you back? What if I told you that you only need 4 key documents to get your store up and running? Hello and welcome to Business and Tax. I'm your host, C.A. Kashif. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the exact list of documents you need to start selling online in India. We'll cover the absolute must-haves, the documents for incorporated companies, and some special licenses you might need. If you want to purchase our professional services to get these license and registration, connect us on Given Mail. Let's get you ready to launch. All right, let's start with the foundation. There are 4 documents that are non-negotiable for anyone wanting to sell online. Think of these as your entry ticket. First, you need a PAN card. Your permanent account number is your unique identification for all tax-related purposes. If you're starting as a sole proprietor, your personal PAN card is sufficient. If you've registered a company or an LLP, you'll need the PAN card issued in the name of the business entity. Second, a bank account. All your sales proceeds need a place to land. For a serious business, I highly recommend opening a separate current account in the name of your business. It keeps your personal and business finances separate, which is crucial for accounting. And here's a pro tip. Some banks require a GST certificate to open a business current account for a proprietorship, which brings me to our most important point. Third, you need a valid address proof for your business. This can be your office, your warehouse, or even your home if you're operating from there. Documents like a recent electricity bill or a rental agreement work perfectly. And fourth, the big one, GST registration. Please listen carefully to this part. For e-commerce sellers in India, GST registration is mandatory from day one. It does not matter if your turnover is below the threshold. The law states that anyone selling goods through an e-commerce operator must be registered for GST. Once you're registered, you will get your GSTIN, which you'll need for your website and every invoice you issue. Now, if you've taken the next step and registered your business as a private limited company or an LLP, you'll need a couple more documents. First is the Certificate of Incorporation. Think of this as the birth certificate of your company. It's the legal proof that your business has been officially formed. Along with that, you'll need your MOA and AOA. The Memorandum of Association defines what your company can do, and the Articles of Association outline the rules for how your company will be run. Marketplaces will ask for these to verify your company's legitimacy. Okay, we've covered the basics. But what if you're selling a specific type of product or want to build a strong brand? Here are a few more things to consider. If you plan to sell any kind of food product, be it spices, snacks, or health supplements, you absolutely need an FSSAI license. This is a food safety license, and it's a legal requirement that also builds tremendous trust with your customers. Next, trademark registration. While it's not mandatory to start, I highly recommend it. Registering your brand name and logo protects you from copycats and gives you the exclusive right to use them. It's a vital step in building a long-term, valuable brand. Finally, consider getting an Udyam registration. This registers your business as an MSME. It can give you access to government schemes and easier bank loans. So, let's do a quick recap. You need the core 4. Your PAN card, bank account, address proof, and your GST registration. For companies, you'll also need the Certificate of Incorporation, MOA, and AOA. And for specific needs, an FSSAI license for food, a trademark for your brand, and Udyam for MSME benefits. Don't let this list intimidate you. The process is a logical step-by-step one. 1. Gather your core documents. 2. Apply for your GSTIN online. This is the key. And 3, with your GSTIN in hand, you can confidently register on any e-commerce platform. You are now ready to take your product to millions of customers across India. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to Business and Tax for more simplified content on finance, tax, and growing your business. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. I'd also love to know, what are you planning to sell online? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.